Here's the Hyundai Elantra. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there is a primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Hyundai emblem. Put one finger there and then push it left. While it's pushed left, lift up the hood. This is how the secondary release lever works. Now this hood requires a prop rod, so grab the rod from over there, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it, and let it go, and now the hood is secure. Let's start with the passenger side. That's the bulb right over there. The way to access it is behind it. That is the bulb holder. Let's look at it from the different angle. That's the bulb holder. Just grab it and twist it left to loosen it, and that's it. Now it's loose and you'll be able to get the entire bulb holder and the bulb out of the light. And out it comes. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle it. It may take a few seconds, but it'll come right out. The bulb number is 194. Check the link in the description to buy the new bulb from Amazon for yourself, and then simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you're putting the bulb holder back in the light, you see those little two contact points, the metal contact points. Those are important because that's exactly where the electrical connection is formed. If you don't do this properly, the bulb will not work. So let's just put this in now, and you have to make sure it sits in properly. See, right now it's sitting in. This is not proper. So you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in and sits in properly. Good. At this point, just grab it and twist your right a little bit to lock it, and we are done. That's it. Now let's just move on to the driver's side. It's the exact same process, no differences whatsoever, just as accessible, same bulb number. Let's go ahead, twist your left and get the bulb holder out, and out it comes. Same bulb, 194. Let's just put it back in, and once it's sitting in flush, just twist your right to lock it, and we're done. Let's just go inside and turn the parking lights on and check it out. See, the driver's side is working fine, but the passenger side is not working, and the issue is that the bulb holder is not in there properly tightened. See, if I'm going to try and tighten it a little bit, it's back on. If I move it a little bit, it's loose, it won't work. And that's about it. To close the hood, first push on it, get a load off the prop rod, get it out of that slot, put it back in its place, lower the hood, and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.